DeepSeek AI appeared and shocked the whole world with its grand appearance. DeepSeek is a huge shock for the US and its OpenAI above anything. After OpenAI's appearance, the world thought America would rule the world with their technology. But DeepSeek proved them idiots to spend millions of dollars on building software that they built in less than half of the amount. DeepSeek AI is a leading Chinese company in the artificial intelligence field and has become a top player worldwide. This new AI is known for its advanced work in natural language processing, machine learning, and data analysis. Like ChatGPT, this one also appeared with a boom. The day this AI came to light, people wanted to know everything about it, because China created the software with minimum resources. With minimum team members, China created a product exactly similar to what the US has created. Therefore, we are going to share with you everything about DeepSeek AI that we found out yet. My personal conversations with DeepSeek will not be revealed here, huh? DeepSeek AI was inspired by a group of friends who all wanted to use technology to solve important problems. The founders, who are engineers, data scientists, and business people, were frustrated with how AI was only used for small, gradual upgrades. They aimed to build something that could change industries and positively impact people's lives. DeepSeek AI started in a small flat in China, where the owners spent many nights thinking, programming, and dreaming big. They saw that AI was becoming popular in the US, but there was still a significant difference in how it was used in fields like healthcare, logistics, and production. They recognized a chance to build an AI tool that is smart, easy to use, can grow, and makes a difference. That's when DeepSeek AI was created. Their name shows their goal to search for answers to the world's biggest problems by using artificial intelligence. The creators of DeepSeek AI were not like usual tech industry leaders. They were a varied group of people with different backgrounds but had the same goal. Dr. Li Wei is a skilled computer scientist with a PhD in machine learning. He created the methods that make DeepSeek AI work. He thought AI should help people, not take their jobs. Zheng Mei, an experienced entrepreneur who is good at finding trends, led the company's business plan. She imagined DeepSeek AI as a top company in AI creation worldwide. Chen Hao, a logistics expert, recognized that AI could greatly improve supply lines and increase their efficiency. He encouraged DeepSeek AI to look into uses in shipping and transportation. Together, they made a dream team that combined technical expertise, business acumen, and a deep understanding of real-world problems. Their goal was simple but ambitious: to build an AI platform that could be tailored for any field, helping businesses make better use of AI. DeepSeek aims to create a world where doctors can foresee illnesses before they occur, and hospitals operate so smoothly that patients always receive care without any waiting. DeepSeek's AI programs look at medical data to predict disease outbreaks, identify illnesses, and suggest personalized treatment plans. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, DeepSeek AI's predictions helped hospitals use their resources better, which saved many lives. If you have ever been curious about how your online orders arrive at your home so fast, you might owe it to DeepSeek AI. Their AI logistics tools improve supply lines, lowering costs, and speeding up delivery. Chen Hao's knowledge of operations played an important role in this area. DeepSeek AI can forecast demand, improve routes, and handle supplies instantly, speeding up and streamlining the whole process. DeepSeek AI is helping companies worldwide to automate tasks, enhance quality checks, and cut down on waste. Their AI systems can find problems in goods before they leave the factory, helping companies save millions of dollars. DeepSeek AI looks at machine data to predict when equipment might break down. This helps with timely repair and prevents expensive downtime. DeepSeek AI is gaining attention in the finance industry. Their computers examine market trends, forecast stock changes, and spot fraudulent transactions. This has made investing safer and more profitable for both people and businesses. All of this sounds out of the world kind of thing, right? We are living in a different world, people. Here, AI is doing much better than us. Like every big thing that exists today, DeepSeek AI encountered several obstacles, like an AI business. DeepSeek AI also depends a lot on data. With lots of data comes a lot of duty. At first, they received criticism for how they manage customer data. To solve this, they put in place strict rules for data protection and made sure all data was kept anonymous and encrypted. They worked closely with regulators to follow data protection rules. When DeepSeek AI began, it faced tough competition from big companies like Google and Amazon, which were already well known in the AI field. DeepSeek AI aims to be different by concentrating on specific fields like healthcare and transportation, where they can offer unique solutions that larger tech companies do not provide, which is a smart idea to work on. As more clients wanted their services, DeepSeek AI needed to improve its technology to keep up with the demands of bigger customers. They put a lot of money into cloud technology and created flexible AI systems that can be quickly adjusted for various industries. AI is a specific area, and it was always difficult to find the right people with the needed skills. To solve this problem, DeepSeek AI worked with universities and study centers to help train future AI experts. They built a work environment focused on innovation and teamwork, which drew in skilled workers from all over the world. I think we are now sharing the world with AI. If you do not agree with the word now, then you will for sure agree with my statement in the near future. If you are having fun watching this video so far, you can appreciate our efforts by giving this video a like. Your like can be a motivating factor for us to keep going. Coming to the most awaited part of this video, DeepSeek is making headlines in the US, and not for positive reasons. Officials are concerned that the Chinese government might use its AI to spy on Americans, steal important information, or spread false information. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt stated in her first press briefing that the government is investigating these issues. Meanwhile, the U.S. Navy is not hanging around. It has already banned DeepSeek due to security and ethical risks. Even with these worries, DeepSeek is becoming very famous. It is the top app on the Apple App Store in the US, showing that China's AI business is growing quickly. Experts have been saying for years that the nation that excels in AI will have a huge economic and military edge. The US has tried to slow down China's success with rules and restrictions, but DeepSeek's quick growth shows that these efforts aren't working as expected. Not everyone believes that DeepSeek is a serious threat. Some privacy experts say that its data collection practices are similar to those of big American tech companies. They are concerned that US companies might use this situation to argue for less rules and laws for themselves. This debate is similar to the current arguments about TikTok, which have split Americans' opinions. Some think banning foreign technology is important for national security, while others feel it's too much government control. With DeepSeek, people are asking the same questions. Is it a true danger, or just an easy target in the increasing tech competition between the US and China? Experts believe that achieving this would be impressive, particularly because the US government has made it tougher for China to obtain advanced AI chips. Despite these limits, China's advancements in AI have surprised many people. At the same time, chip manufacturers lost a lot of money. While tech stocks had a tough time, other parts of the market quietly performed well. Companies like Amazon and Tesla, which sell directly to customers, had good growth. The communications area, which includes Meta, previously called Facebook, performed well. Cruise lines also did well, showing that not all businesses were struggling. DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT may look alike at first, but they are created in very different ways. It all depends on time, money, and the people involved. DeepSeek AI was made by a small team of talented engineers and thinkers. It was like a group of tech experts working together in a lab, programming day and night while drinking lots of coffee. Just like you witness in a movie, DeepSeek AI was built in much less time than ChatGPT because the team used smart ways to feed data to the software. They literally used other AI software that already had data accumulated within them to further feed it to DeepSeek. The entire process probably took a few months to a year, which is quite quick for AI creation. Creating an AI can be expensive, but DeepSeek AI was made with a smaller budget. Training will likely cost millions of dollars, but when compared to other large AI models, that's relatively inexpensive. DeepSeek is not only inexpensive, but its team is also small. Probably consists of about 20 to 50 people. Can you believe it? Just a few people are making the impossible possible. These were the committed engineers and researchers who improved the model to make it as effective and efficient as possible. It's similar to an independent film, made with limited means, but still turning out to be a blockbuster. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is the hit of AI. OpenAI has been developing this model for years, making improvements with each new version. The first version, GPT-1, came out in 2018, and since then, the team has been improving it to make it better and faster. The current version, based on GPT-4, has taken years of study, testing, and improvement. The cost of creating ChatGPT is much higher. When we say higher, we are talking about hundreds of millions of dollars. Training a large AI needs very strong computers, a lot of electricity, and some of the smartest people. The team behind ChatGPT is massive, with hundreds of engineers, researchers, and even ethicists working together to make sure the AI runs easily and responsibly. It's important to make the robot smart, but it's equally important to keep it safe and fair for users. Think of it like a superhero team, where each member is important in making ChatGPT work well. DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT have similar functions, but they were created using different methods. DeepSeek AI is a small but powerful competitor, developed quickly and effectively by a dedicated team. ChatGPT is a high-profile program that was built over many years by a large team with significant financial support. The most interesting thing here is that both models show that AI progress relies not just on money, but also on how well it is carried out. DeepSeek AI proves that a small team can achieve big results, while ChatGPT shows the benefits of years of study and investment. No matter which one you choose, it's amazing to see how much AI has advanced. If, like many others, you are also wondering, what is the future for DeepSeek AI? If the past is any sign, the sky's the limit. DeepSeek AI began in China, but they want to expand globally. They are already entering areas in the US, Europe, and Southeast Asia. They have a strong history of success, so it won't be long before they become a world star in AI. DeepSeek AI has had a strong effect on healthcare, logistics, and production, and is now looking to enter new areas such as education, agriculture, and entertainment. Think about classes with AI, farms that use technology, or movie suggestions made just for you. There are so many opportunities. As AI gets stronger, worries about ethics are growing. What do you think about DeepSeek and ChatGPT war? Do share your views with us in the comments section below. If you want us to cover more such topics, do mention them in the comments section. You can also check our pre-existing videos. However, if you enjoyed watching the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.